testing the new detensioning block clamp. Got 6 7/8 bolts or studs torqued with impact to, I'm estimating maybe 500-600 pounds of torque with my impact. I have no torque wrench to verify. So there's the slot. And it's got a little insert piece in there that's got some radiuses. And anyway, typical monostrand ram, 6.28 square inches, should equal to 5250 psi for pressure at 33 kips. So not that it's going to be a big surprise because I already tried it, but let's see what happens. So no slippage at all. Strand hasn't moved. So the only thing at that point would be to loosen it up and see what happens at that point. So I might give that a shot.